Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So as we can see that the Bitcoin is trading at around $19 to $81. In this video I'll explain you Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, how they have moved in the last week and how these crypto can move in the next week. As we can see that the Bitcoin is currently trading at $19 to $81. Okay, and this is the range where we have seen the Bitcoin is moving. Okay, and if we look at this chart, the range low is around $17,701. Okay, and a high of around $25,116. Okay, so now it is trading at around $19 to $81 and we can see a green candle forming. If you look at this particular zone, so if it goes above this level, then we can see after crossing a level of 21787, we can see it can go and touch a level of $22,544. Okay, because with that before a level was a weak resistance, so probability is high, we can see it can touch this level. Okay, or if it goes above that, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around 25,116. Okay, as we know that all the resistance, that is 24,360 and a level of 24,814 is a weak resistance, so probability is there, we can see it can cross this particular level also and can go more high. But if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $17,395. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can go below that level and can touch a level of around $14 to $20, and then it can go further low. Okay, now if we talk about Dogecoin, see, if you look at the chart of Dogecoin, what we have seen that Dogecoin is moving in a descending order downside. So okay, so if this level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $0.0485. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further down and can touch a level of $0.0386. And if that level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $0.0262. So because it is continuously moving further down, but if it goes above this level and break this particular zone, then a probability of touching 0.0905 is there. Okay, and then it can go further upside because this range has not come since May 2022. Okay, so it will try to go upside and we can see it can go more high. But if we talk about Ethereum, if you look at the Ethereum, we have seen it is quite volatile as compared to other cryptos. Okay, and a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, and now we have seen at this particular level a green candle is trying to form. Okay, it is called a doji candle as of now, it is forming. So if this level goes upside, we can see it can cross and touch a level of $14.34. Okay, because our resistance which is weak, which is at around 1409, so it will cross upside and can touch this level. Okay, and if that level goes further high, can touch a level of around $1676. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further high. But if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $15. Okay, or if from there we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of around $1021. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then there is a probability of touching a level of $876. Now if we talk about Litecoin, the Litecoin also, it is also showing a continuous downfall. Only this is the reason where we have seen much of volatility and a good movement in the price of Litecoin. Okay, now it is in this zone and the zone low is around 39.15 and a high of around 66.82. Suppose is this zone goes down, then we can see it can touch a level of $45.54. Okay, or if it goes further low, then we can see it can touch a level of $40.22. Okay, and if the price goes above this, below this level, then we can see it can move further low. Okay, but if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $57.24. Okay, or if it goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $68.95, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around 74.27, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Okay, these are the some of the points which I am telling you. You have to understand that crypto is continuously moving down. Okay, till the time there is not a big news or something, upside movement will not come, or it should form a swing or break that particular zone, then only we can see it can go further upside and a good volatility we can see. Okay, till the time we can see it will move in a particular range. Okay, or it can go further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.